Have you ever felt like life is just happening to you rather than for you? Like you're a passenger in your own story, watching events unfold without much say in the direction? If so, you're not alone. Many of us navigate life reactively, responding to circumstances as they arise. But what if there was a way to become the architect of your own existence, to consciously design the life you want? Welcome to Design Your Destiny, using strategic thinking to create the life you want. In this video, we're going to explore the powerful principles of strategic thinking and how you can apply them, not just to business or military tactics, but to the most important project of all, your life. This isn't about wishful thinking. It's about intentional action, clear vision, and a roadmap to get you where you want to be. By the end of this, you'll have a framework to start building the life you always envisioned. Before we dive into application, let's clarify what strategic thinking truly means. It's often confused with mere planning, but it's much more profound. Planning is about outlining steps to achieve a goal. Strategic thinking, however, is about why those goals matter, what the landscape looks like, and how to adapt when the unexpected happens. At its core, strategic thinking involves foresight, anticipating future trends, opportunities, and challenges. It's about looking beyond the immediate horizon. Critical analysis, evaluating situations, resources, and options objectively. This means questioning assumptions and seeking deeper understanding. Holistic perspective, seeing the bigger picture, understanding how different elements of your life interconnect and influence each other. Adaptability, being flexible and willing to adjust your approach when new information emerges or circumstances change. A rigid plan is often a failed plan in a dynamic world. Think of it this way. A planner might map out a route from point A to point B. A strategic thinker, however, first asks if point B is truly the best destination, considers alternative routes, assesses potential roadblocks, and prepares for detours, all while keeping the ultimate purpose of the journey in mind. This proactive, insightful approach is what empowers you to move from merely existing to truly thriving. You can't design your destiny if you don't know what you're designing for, or what materials you have to work with. This is where self-assessment comes in. It's the bedrock of strategic life design. This isn't just about listing your strengths. It's a deep dive into your authentic self. Ask yourself, what are my core values? What truly matters to me even when no one is watching? Is it freedom, security, creativity, contribution, family, growth? These are your non-negotiables. What are my passions and interests? What activities make me lose track of time? What topics genuinely excite me? These are clues to your purpose and potential sources of fulfillment. What are my strengths and talents? What do I naturally excel at? What skills have I developed? Don't underestimate what comes easily to you. What are my weaknesses or areas for growth? Where do I struggle? What habits hold me back? Acknowledging these isn't about self-criticism, but about identifying areas for strategic improvement. What are my current life circumstances? What are my resources, financial, social, educational? What are my current commitments and responsibilities? Tools for self-assessment, journaling. Regular reflection can uncover patterns and insights. SWOT analysis. List your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Feedback. Ask trusted friends, mentors, or colleagues for honest feedback on your strengths and areas for development. Mindfulness and meditation. These practices can help you connect with your inner self and gain clarity. The goal here is not perfection, but profound self-awareness. This clarity will serve as your compass, guiding every strategic decision you make. With a clear understanding of yourself, it's time to look forward. What does your ideal life look like? This isn't about a vague dream. It's about a vivid, compelling vision that pulls you forward. Developing your vision. Imagine yourself 5, 10, or even 20 years from now. What are you doing? Who are you with? What impact are you making? Think across different life domains: career, relationships, health, personal growth, finances, contribution, leisure. Write it down. Create a vision board. Make it tangible and inspiring. Your vision should be so clear that you can almost taste it. Once your vision is established, you can set strategic goals. These aren't just New Year's resolutions. They are milestones on the path to your vision. The most effective goals are smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Specific, clearly defined, not vague. Instead of get fit, try run a 10K race. Measurable. How will you know when you've achieved it? Lose 10 pounds is measurable. Achievable. Realistic and attainable, given your resources and circumstances. Relevant. Aligned with your core values and overall vision. Does this goal truly move you closer to the life you want? Time-bound, with a clear deadline. By December 31st, provides urgency. Break down large, long-term goals into smaller, manageable, short-term goals. This makes the journey less daunting and provides regular opportunities for celebration and momentum. For example, if your vision is to be a successful entrepreneur, a long-term goal might be to launch a profitable business within 5 years. A short-term goal could be to complete a business plan in 3 months. Now that you know where you want to go and what milestones you need to hit, it's time to create the roadmap, your strategic plan. This is where you outline the how. Key components of your strategic plan. Identify key actions. For each goal, list the specific steps you need to take. Resource assessment. What resources do you need? Skills. Do you need to learn something new? Knowledge. What information do you need to gather? Network. Who can help you? Do you need a mentor? Financial. What financial resources are required? Time. How much time can you realistically dedicate? Prioritization. You can't do everything at once. What are the most critical actions that will have the biggest impact? Use frameworks like the Eisenhower matrix to decide. Timeline. Assign realistic deadlines to each action step. Contingency planning. This is a hallmark of strategic thinking. What could go wrong? What are the potential obstacles? And most importantly, what will your backup plan be? Having a plan B doesn't mean you expect to fail. It means you're prepared for reality. For example, if your goal is to start a business and your initial funding falls through, what's your alternative? Your strategic plan isn't a rigid document carved in stone. It's a living guide. It should be reviewed and updated regularly, but it provides the structure and direction needed to move forward with purpose. A brilliant strategic plan is useless without execution. This is where the rubber meets the road. Many people excel at planning, but falter at taking consistent action. Strategies for effective execution. Start small, build habits. Don't try to overhaul your entire life overnight. Identify one small, consistent action you can take daily or weekly that moves you towards a goal. Consistency trumps intensity. Time blocking. Schedule dedicated time for your strategic actions. Treat these appointments with yourself as non-negotiable. Accountability. Share your goals with a trusted friend, mentor, or coach. Knowing someone is checking in can be a powerful motivator. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge your progress, no matter how small. This builds momentum and keeps you motivated. Overcoming procrastination. Understand why you procrastinate. Is it fear of failure? Fear of success? Perfectionism? Address the root cause. Break tasks into even smaller steps if needed. Embrace discomfort. Growth happens outside your comfort zone. Expect challenges and view them as opportunities to learn and strengthen your resolve. Remember, the journey to designing your destiny will have its ups and downs. The key is to keep moving forward, even when it's difficult. Strategic thinking isn't a one-time event. It's a continuous cycle of planning, acting, observing, and adapting. Life is dynamic, and your strategy must be too. Key aspects of this continuous cycle: regular review, set aside time weekly, monthly, or quarterly to review your progress. Are you on track? Are your goals still relevant? Learn from experience. What worked? What didn't? Why? Every success and every setback offers valuable lessons. Don't just experience. Reflect and learn. Be flexible. The world changes, and so do you. Be prepared to adjust your goals, your plan, or even your vision if circumstances or your own desires evolve. This isn't failure. It's intelligent adaptation. Stay curious. Continuously seek new knowledge, perspectives, and opportunities. The more you learn, the better equipped you are to make strategic decisions. Reevaluate your vision. As you grow and achieve, your vision for the future might expand or shift. Allow yourself the freedom to dream bigger or in a different direction. This iterative process ensures that your life strategy remains relevant, effective, and aligned with your evolving self. It's about continuous improvement and conscious evolution. Designing your destiny through strategic thinking is not about controlling every single outcome. It's about maximizing your influence over your life's direction. It's about moving from a passive recipient of circumstances to an active creator of your future. By understanding strategic thinking, engaging in honest self-assessment, crafting a compelling vision, setting smart goals, developing a robust plan, executing with determination, and continuously adapting, you gain an incredible power. The power to shape your experiences, achieve your aspirations, and live a life that is truly authentic and fulfilling. The journey won't always be easy, but it will be profoundly rewarding. So take that first step today. Start with self-assessment, define your vision, and begin to lay out your strategic plan. Your destiny isn't predetermined. It's waiting for you to design it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on personal growth and strategic living. What's one strategic step you're going to take this week? Let us know in the comments below.